Okay, we're live. We're going. Let me just share this around. Hold on. In live chat. Okay, cool. I would like to watch myself on my other laptop I have right here, so to start things off, I am in a Bitcoin long. I entered. Where is my entry? Entry was right here with stop loss right below that low. And ultimately, I am looking to really lock this in at around this golden pocket level. It kind of begins where these single prints are beginning. So you see here 9,700, 9,425. So I guess not, but I definitely look in lock in profits at this 0.5 level. Definitely, I'll definitely lock in that trade. But it looks like we kind of got a rejection off of this 382, to say the least. I'll kind of drag this up a little bit more. You put it towards this drop down. But yeah, I'm definitely looking to really take good profits at this golden pocket. I don't think we're going to pump up too much, to be honest with you. Open interest is kind of dying down though. So it looks like shorts are getting stopped out. But just looking at the Delta chart, what really made me excited to kind of enter this was the amount of balances, buying imbalances down here, right at a daily support level. And I was looking at this support level for quite some time. We did crush through the golden pocket. The golden pocket, I believe, was just right in here, but we did kind of crush through that. I'll kind of measure the golden pocket again, kind of take a look at it. So yeah, we did crush through that sort of support level, did come down, kind of test through the daily. Now it kind of looks like we're kind of bouncing up again, so this might actually turn into like a swing long. Again, I'm not really getting too overly excited with this trade, but again, I like to treat every single trade as like a scalp trade, so I don't really lose money. But so far so good. Kind of standard go-to is this sort of VWAP up here. You guys can hear me, right? Okay, good. I'm really looking to take in profits at around sort of this VWAP and this 0.5 again, just kind of where the single prints are starting. Again, I do see that kind of being a local resistance to kind of start off, but right now I wouldn't necessarily really long this. You could probably get a better entry. Again, it'll be interesting to see what happens, especially when the 4 minutes comes around, the US Open starts. So far so good. CVD has been following along nicely. I'm not really seeing any bearish absorption going on. So it's kind of a nice steady stream up. Really no trapped longs, not many people really FOMOing this, but very nice building of longs as we continue up here. Very nice stacked imbalances of longs. So this could be a pretty good move up. Along with that too is that we were at a daily value area low. So again, just looking to take profits at the daily point of control. Again, nevertheless, the 0.5 and the single print's kind of beginning. A significant amount of resistance there to say. I really want to see that kind of break above and close above, just to see more continuation up to the upside. Again, just looking at the 4-hour time frame and the 1 hour, I'll actually look at it on the order flow too, if you guys want. I do see this kind of being a stronger move up, but again, I could be wrong. Really no certainties in trading. Only really probabilities, and probabilities are kind of stacking in our favor for a resistance here. So I definitely look into lock-in trades, definitely at that level. But I kind of want to see more volume and buying momentum behind this. Looks like a whole bunch of longs got liquidated down here. So again, it was kind of a famous market maker going after liquidity, stopping out as many people who longed kind of this area. Again, this was a major daily support level from kind of down here. The 2 candle closes from the 19th of June, and we did touch that perfectly. What really made me excited and kind of wanting to enter this was sort of seeing us kind of zoom through and kind of tap liquidity down here. And then we came down, retested the daily level again, along with it being a 786 level. Again, another 786 level, fib level, acting as a major pivot point, which is really quite interesting, seeing the 786 being respected so much on Bitcoin. Again, it has been money for us for like the past whole week, really, since we've been trading on Tuesdays with these kind of live sort of calls. So again, very, very interesting. Seeing if there's any shorts trapped. I don't really see any shorts trapped, to be honest. Maybe right here. Yeah, there's some down here. Really not too many though. Yeah, there's not too many shorts trapped down here. Again, I'm not really expecting this to be like a giga pump, but that 19,400 resistance is looking pretty juicy. So definitely a take profit one right here. Yeah, we'll see if it really holds out or not. But here we go. US Open. I'll go down to the 3 minute and we'll see what's going on. But nevertheless, this kind of slow grind down has been pretty weak, so maybe buyers will step in and kind of push up the price a little bit more. We'll see if we get any trap traders. Again, this whole week there hasn't really been too many trap traders in the US Open. Maybe we'll get some trapped longs. Looks like some longs are coming in. Right now I kind of have a feeling we're going to trap some shorts if we kind of dump down. But again, I could be wrong. Yeah, I could see some shorts being trapped. Again, too soon to really call. Whole bunch of shorts coming in. Suddenly, it seems. kind of outside of the low of the candle. We're kind of at a low of a candle. First 2 minutes are pretty aggressive. But yeah, there's a lot of shorts right here. A lot of shorts. Shorts even at the very tip bottom. Really no buyers. We'll see if we get buyers kind of trapping these guys. We'll drop down to the 1 minute. Again, I see more sellers coming in. A lot of volume, typically, kind of a standard during the New York session. Now we're starting to see some shorts close. Wow, we're dropping down now.
Jacko's in orange too.
Dropping down. Dropping down. Wow. That was quite a wick down. Again, a very kind of weak since there was a drop down on OI. Now we're getting longs coming in, possibly trapping the stacked shorts. Again, kind of too soon to really call, but I could see that happening, kind of playing out. Take note of this too, is that again, at a 786 level, we had a whole bunch of people shorting that. This, though, kind of seems like a long stop out. A lot of longs who longed possibly in here or right up here really are getting liquidated. Again, it's those people using 100x leverage, high leverage to say the least. So could see a move up here again. Just at this daily valley area though, a lot of buying pressure up in here. Just looking at this delta chart up here, a little bit of selling pressure, but that's just the delta, not necessarily absorption going on. I don't really see any absorption going on, but a lot of people got stopped out during that. That's kind of the reason why we got a violent move down like that. But here, let's see if this candle kind of holds. Again, possibility of some trapped shorts right here. But again, we could still pump down a little bit more as if more shorts kind of come in. But right now, it kind of looks like battle between the longs and the shorts, so to speak. Wow, we're dropping down pretty hard. Let's see if this really holds. Right now we're getting minor absorption. That's on the 1 minute though. I don't like looking at the 1 minute. I don't know, it seems like a lot of shorts are opening up. Seems like a lot of shorts are coming in. We'll see if this micro 786 holds. So far, I don't really think so. I don't know, there seems like a lot of shorts coming in. this move down has been, seems like a lot of kind of a long squeeze. Alright, we're at around my entry price right now. So, if we do end up kind of losing this, really it's not really looking good. This is kind of like the last resort of support. Really, we could have a swing failure pattern of kind of this, really. Which I don't really see that, because I don't think there was too many people who really longed this, to be honest. Really, whenever you get like a drop down on this on, really, I believe this was kind of a daily level at around 18K roughly. But whenever you get like a kind of trap down like this, there really isn't too much liquidity there per se. But really, if so to speak, to kind of sum it up, if we do lose this daily level here, I do expect us to come down, and really this will be like the last resort of a swing failure pattern. But just really looking around, I'll kind of take a look at buying tails or selling tails. And really there wasn't really a buying tail or selling tail. It's still a poor man's low. So, again, I don't really see a swing failure pattern really happening. So there's not necessarily shorts coming in. Again, just a lot of longs closing out, getting stopped out, especially on this fast move down. It's typical to see a large amount of stacked imbalances kind of at the middle of the candle, the middle of the valley area. Yeah, it is a 786, I guess. I'll see if it's an order block. Doesn't really look like it'd be an order block either. Typically you want to see kind of this candle replacing this candle, and then you want to see that violent move up for it to be kind of an order block. I don't know, it could be. It's kind of pushing it. So I'll turn off these guys. These are kind of invalidated, been crushed through. Wow, we're tanking. now we're getting some shorts coming in. We'll see if buyers step up as this, oof. Yeah, there's some shorts coming in. I'm gonna close out of my long. I'll take a small loss on my long. Wow. Yeah, a whole bunch of longs getting stopped out there. Still shorts coming in. Ton of volume. Solana, I'm looking down towards this weekly level. $30.53. So we could get a swing filler put on this, but yeah, tanking. Wow. This is a violent wick down. Holy crud. Large stop out of everything. So many longs. 9 million longs got stopped out. On these violent moves down like that, I kind of like to sit out. Kind of shorts closing right now. Longs coming in. Yeah, I'm just being patient. Large bind tail form, so I might re-enter. Again, I'm not really too hopeful of bind tails. I'm getting a lot of questions on Discord saying like if I should just trade based off of buying tails and selling tails. I wouldn't do that. Again, large players can be wrong too. just like right in here. There is a bunch of long players who long this. Maybe they closed out at break even or something, but usually they take partial profit. I doubt they closed out their whole position really up here. But good amount of buying volume coming in. We'll see if we kind of bounce up from this. Just a ton of volume in here. I don't really like to see that. I'm not really too comfortable entering here. A lot of volume at these lows right here. Kind of want to see a retest of coming down to around 18,740. Kind of want to see that level hold. Again, right now is kind of an aggressive long entry. Easy invalidation below this low. Didn't really quite touch the order block. Really just wiped out a ton of longs in this. We'll see what the S&P is doing. Okay, yeah, violent move down. 3750. S&P kind of looks awful. Really, I think we come down like another 7% about before we really see some momentum to the upside. Again, I'm guessing around like August. So July could be kind of painfully going sideways with a slow move down. But of course I could be wrong. It might backtest this. It was somewhat of a support. Typically you want to see more, but Yeah, I know. I don't know. I don't really. Maybe it'll backtest. Again, this whole move down seems weak. It seems like it's mainly a stop loss hunt. Which was really interesting to see because when I entered around this range, really once I saw this, I entered my long. And just looking at the delta charts, there was a good amount of buying volume. Really, I didn't really check too closely if there was large players buying. I didn't really see if there was. I don't think there was a buying tail per se. It was still a poor man's low. But nevertheless, I did enter a long. Closed it early once we started seeing a whole bunch of shorts coming in at this candle. But I would have gotten stopped out on this nevertheless. So we might just chill out for like 10 minutes or so, or a few minutes. Probably come down. If our 786 theory is playing out, you can see a move down and come and retest this 786 locally. Again, it's just a pattern I've been recognizing for this week. Not necessarily really taking it to heart, but it's just trading activity and buyers and sellers being interested in that level, particularly market makers or larger players, so to speak. But yeah. So we'll just be patient, kind of wait it out. Again, this large amount of volume on this move down makes me kind of hesitant. But what is good to see is that this was a stop loss hunt, as noted by the large decrease in open interest. And a ton of longs closing. Not really absorption going on. Some minor absorption up here, but that's okay. It's only on the 1 minute. But we're seeing some good amount shorts piling up here. Again, I wouldn't necessarily open a trade right here. I'm looking for a long trade, but that doesn't necessarily mean I'm gonna take a trade. We'll see what the market does. It's just kind of resetting, especially after that large open interest reset. Right now it seems like shorts are entering the market. I don't know, what are you guys thinking? Maybe see absorption. Really too soon to call this, but I'm gonna see. Really want to see this level hold. Again, I'm looking for a retest down here, 8,750. I want to see a retest down here. It'd be cool to see. They're not gonna be like one of those influencers who say exactly as predicted, guys. Exactly as predicted. So far so good though. Volume dying off. Again, I'm just waiting for a good entry. Kind of more of a sniper entry. But we could lose this, I don't know. Again, we'll just have to wait and see. Kind of too early to call. And again, there is a buying tail forming right now. A row size of 7 last time I checked. Yeah, this guy down here. Again, it can still go away if we drop down. So just be aware of that. Really, I want to see Solana kind of dump down a little bit more, man. Hopefully when Bitcoin creeps its way down here, Solana will do the violent wick action and drop down suddenly. I haven't taken a Solana trade really since last week. It's been hard to trade. Yeah, Gunslinger Pool sends her regards. Yeah, you got it, Trader K. So now we just wait. We wait. Not really bouncing from anything. A little bit more longs than shorts entering right now. Doesn't really mean too much. Again, these are looking at market orders. You can't really spot limit orders, really only with CBD. So I want to see a large limit order down here. I think there might be one right down here. Someone has a large kind of buy order, limit order, waiting for shorts to kind of fill in and maybe pump up. But again, I could be wrong. Maybe. Maybe we'll see something like this. Whoa. My trading view has been kind of funky. So we'll see a slow grind up like this and then maybe come down. I don't know why my trading view is drawing weird lines. But yeah, maybe a back test of the daily, then probably drop down. Want to be a bad scalp. Yes. But yeah, we monstered through that daily. So this is a large single print area. See if that's a single print area. Buy until kind of shrinking. Again, we might miss this move too. I don't know. I'm not comfortable entering. No trade is better than a gambling trade. So again, just minor resistances here. Just minor. We'll check Ethereum. Ethereum bouncing nice off a daily. That's good to see. I haven't been keeping up with Ethereum, but good to see it leading. Let me actually update my Ethereum chart. There's probably some Ethereum traders out here. Respect to you guys. Let me see here. I'll mark out this guy. So maybe this could be a swing long. Really looking to take profits. Wow, that'd be really juicy long. But this is looking like a resistance on Ethereum at around 12,000 or 1,240. That is just speculative. So far, it looks like kind of a weekly level too, a little bit. Not too much data there to really call it something. Let's go look at Ethereum's order flow. Wow, there's trapped shorts on Ethereum. Yeah, there's definitely trapped shorts down here. Significant amount too. Again, I want to see more buying imbalances here, but we got some shorts underneath water right in here at the low. So take that as you will. Again, I want to see Solana grind its way down, man. A second spring failure pattern of this low is definitely probable. Yeah, I'm still waiting on this guy. It's really just looking locally, kind of rejecting off a golden pocket. So yeah, we'll wait a little bit. Maybe getting a trade around 9:30. I won't be here too long. It just might be one of those things where we just keep on dropping down. Really, this is like the last resort of support for Bitcoin. This daily level. Really, if we end up losing this 15K, lose that 11K. And to be honest with you, 15K doesn't really seem like a strong level. So yeah, market's just chilling. Again, just resetting volume. You can think of it as a spring kind of cooling up again. This was like the spring releasing, got a impulsive move, and now the spring is slowly compressing again. Building up for another move, possibly. So yeah, really in no man's land right now. So scenario one, if we do end up getting a rejection here, that'd be my stop loss, and really I'd aim down to the ground. If that will play out. Scenario two, what I'm looking at, is a long. My stop loss a little bit down there. And really we're just gonna look and take this guy up towards those single prints, which is around here, I believe. Right up here, probably around this wick area. Yeah, right here, around 14,425. So, right here. And that would be a nice long to take. Again, I'm just waiting for those pivot points and seeing my scenarios, and then I'll kind of roll the die. Roll the die and enter my position trade. Of course, paper trade, of course, not financial advice. This seems like shorts getting stopped out right here. Maybe some trap shorts at the long or low right here. It's really hard to see. Minor, there's some, but of course these could be longs too. Seems like it could be some trap shorts. Maybe they got liquidated now. There is a few wrecked right here, so it probably was them being liquidated, losing all their margin. So yeah, now we wait. Some more long or shorts getting stopped out. Stop amount. Kind of back testing this. Looks like we're gonna crush through it, not gonna lie. I'll go down to the 1 minute. Some shorts piled in. Guys could probably scalp this. Again, I'm not being too greedy with this. I got 9 lives. me take a break real quick. Yeah, I'm looking down to here. This is just a minor scalp. It's like a little hedge. But if I see a long opportunity, I'm gonna take it. So just be cautious with that. But we're going to zero. We're going to zero, guys. Bitcoin's going to zero. Dan Pina was right. Don't be a snowflake. He's looking at you like this. Bitcoin's going to zero. It's kind of low volume land. not too hopeful of this short. Kind of a local golden pocket rejection. I get some bearish absorption here. I see longs opening up, but nothing's really moving. Again, it could be a big guy kind of hedging right now, taking a minor scalp, or really dropping down, continuation down to the downside. Again, I just have a feeling if we lose this level down here, really we drop down to 15K. Or really just take, I don't know, I'm not really too hopeful in this area. String filler pattern at 17,600. I'm not sure where you're getting a 17,100 from. Take a look over here. Swing failure pattern. This is goofy. Wow. Up we go. Very interesting. Wow. That was a short squeeze. Holy cow. That was a pretty violent swing failure pattern. Don't know what the heck this is. Goofy. Goofy. Boom, 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 boom. Maybe we'll come down and stop out these longs. Quite some volatility. kind of seems like Bitcoin's just mocking whatever the S&P is doing. Dollar's pumping. Again, I do see the dollar dropping down a little bit. It will probably take out these highs right here. Probably come up here a little bit, then drop down. Some shorts coming into Bitcoin. Still in my short, barely. Who knows? Right now, we're still in a red candle. This has been like a violent move down though, really since March. Wow. Yeah, I'll probably get going pretty soon. I remain short barely. Probably not the smartest move right now. It's not necessarily really long's picking up in here. I suppose down here there was some buying pressure. Seems like some of them closed out up here. It seems like some shorts stepping in. So yeah, maybe we could see a continuation downward. This right here was just a minor short squeeze, really up towards the daily point of control. So ultimately, I am looking to lock in my profit at this daily value area low. To be specific, particularly this 18,740 level, as there was a bunch of buying down here. Just kind of what I'm looking at. Again, there's really no certainties it will go down there, but again, it's just kind of a hedge that I was kind of using to make up for my small little long loss right here. Probably should have locked in profits here, but again, there was really no knowing at the time. Just the behavior of markets during the time. So, yep. Anyways, like the video, subscribe. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Pretty sure tomorrow's not a holiday. Monday I won't be here, so enjoy the long week.